Craving delicious meals without the guilt? Discover low-calorie recipes that truly satisfy your taste buds. Indulge in flavorful dishes that make healthy eating a pleasure, not a chore. Welcome back to Healthy Bites, and I am going to share the best low-calorie meals to keep your calories low and help you lose weight quickly. Managing calorie intake is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It helps balance energy levels, supports weight management, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases without sacrificing enjoyment. Swap high-calorie pasta for zucchini noodles with pesto. This simple dish is both tasty and nutritious, offering a fresh twist on a classic favorite without the extra calories. Try enhancing your meals with fresh herbs for a burst of flavor. They add complexity and depth to dishes without the need for extra calories, making healthy eating more enjoyable. Grilled lemon herb chicken is a juicy, flavorful dish perfect for meal prep. This recipe allows you to enjoy delicious, protein-rich meals throughout the week without compromising on flavor. Cooking with non-stick sprays is an excellent way to cut back on excess calories from oil. This method maintains the flavor of your dish while promoting a healthier cooking approach. I love adding vegetables to my meals. It's a smart way to feel full without consuming extra calories. Incorporate a variety of colorful veggies to enhance both nutrition and visual appeal. Greek yogurt parfait offer a delicious, creamy breakfast option that's low in calories. Layer yogurt with fresh fruits and granola for a satisfying start to your day that feels indulgent. Sweeten your dishes naturally with honey or stevia to keep calories in check. These alternatives provide sweetness without the added sugar, making your recipes both healthy and delicious. Just a quick reminder, liking and subscribing allows me to keep making amazing videos like this. Your support means the world and helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching. Spices are a fantastic way to add depth to your meals without adding calories. Utilize a mix of herbs and spices to create flavorful, aromatic dishes that are both exciting and nutritious. Warm up with a bowl of spicy black bean soup, a comforting dish full of flavor without the calorie overload. This hearty soup keeps you satisfied and nourished on chilly days. Enhance your culinary creations with spices, adding depth and excitement to your dishes without extra calories. Spices like cumin, paprika, and chili can transform simple meals into gourmet experiences. Craving fries? Opt for baked sweet potato fries, a guilt-free alternative that offers a delightful crunch. These fries are easy to make and packed with nutrients, making them a perfect side. Baking instead of frying is a smart choice for reducing calorie intake. Not only does it preserve the natural flavors of foods, but it also creates a crisp, satisfying texture. Dive into a berry smoothie bowl for a refreshing and vibrant meal. Packed with antioxidants from fresh berries, this treat is as nutritious as it is delicious, perfect for any time of day. Remember, portion control. It's crucial for maintaining a balanced diet. By serving appropriate amounts, you can enjoy your favorite dishes without overindulging, keeping calorie intake in check while still feeling satisfied. Eating mindfully enhances your meal experience. Take time to savor each bite, noticing flavors and textures. This practice not only aids digestion, but also helps you recognize true hunger and fullness cues. Low-calorie meals provide numerous benefits, such as improved energy levels and weight management. By choosing nutrient-rich, flavorful recipes, you can enjoy delicious dishes without sacrificing your health or dietary goals. Explore these satisfying recipes to transform your eating habits. Subscribe for more tips and tricks, and don't forget to share which low-calorie dish you love most in the comments below.